Hello students of 7th standard. In our civics subject, we started with lesson number 1, that is on equality. I already uploaded one video related to this lesson in which we discussed about this whole dialogue pages. That is a talk between Kanta Devi and Sujata Kumar. Both domestic workers are the way they were standing in line and waiting for their turn to vote during election time. At that time they were standing ahead than their बॉस, दैट इज़ जिनके घर पे कांता देवी काम करती थी, वो पीछे खड़े थे लेकिन वो आगे खड़ी थी. सो दैट मेड हर feeling good that here everyone are equal, all are standing turn by turn, no matter whether they are rich or poor. But later on, when she went at home and as her daughter was sick but she was not able to take leave, she went to do work in Jain's house, and after she worked she asked for advance from Mrs. Jain, and then she took her daughter to hospital. Now when she went in hospital, she was to stand in a long queue waiting for her turn to meet doctor. At that time she thought, if Mr. Jain has to take his kid to any doctor, they don't have to wait for anyone, as they belong to rich. So is it really is it the thing we all are equal in India? Is there equality seen in India without election line and all? तो काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस आने लगे थे कांता देवी के मन में अबाउट इक्वालिटी एंड differences of rich and poor. Now, other kinds of equality. Kanta is one of the many people who live in democratic country and who have the right to vote, but whose daily living and working conditions are far from equal. Apart from being poor, people in India experiences inequality in different ways. Let us see what this means by reading the two stories given below. Each of these is based on the real incidents in people's life and reflects the different kinds of equality that exist in India. So Kanta Devi की जो story हमने देखी in earlier video, it is like she belongs to poor family. She is living in slum area and she is working at someone else's home, so she is suffering from less income and all, right? But ये तो inequality जो है तो है, but there are many other kinds of inequalities also. We will find two different inequalities by reading two different stories given below. दो ऐसी स्टोरीज़ हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं जिनसे हमें ये भी पता चलेगा कि गरीब नहीं लेकिन और भी लोगों के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है. Or else I can say not only with poor people, but discrimination is seen with many other people as well. One of the more common form of inequality in India is the caste system. If you live in rural India, your caste identity is something that you probably learned or experienced very young. If you live in urban India, some of you might think that the people no longer believe in caste. But just look at these matrimonials shown from the leading English newspaper and you will see how important the issue of caste continues to be in the mind of highly educated urban Indians. Which matrimonials? These matrimonials. See, alliance invited for 32 MMS, 5-inch for fair, beautiful girl वर्किंग इन IT कंपनी. दैट इज़ मतलब क्या कहने का कि जो सिटीज़ के लोग हैं उनका लाइफस्टाइल कम्प्लीटली अलग हो जाता है. उनकी एक परफेक्ट डिमांड होती है कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बॉय और गर्ल दे वांट टू गेट मैरी विद, राइट? एंड देन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एरिया दे वांट टू लिव इन, राइट? सो ऐसे कई सारे एक्सक्यूज़ेस हो जाते हैं द वे दे वॉन्ट। लाइक अगर मुंबई में कोई रह रहा है तो मुंबई के ही वर्कर के साथ मैरिज करने के लिए दे गो ऑन गिविंग एडवर्टीजमेंट इन पेपर्स एंड ऑल। वेयर विलेजेस में it is like के they find it either near or far, they find it good and they get married with each other, right? But कई differences देखने को मिलती हैं। Let us read these stories and understand that what kind of differences they are talking about. Now let us read a story about the experiences of Dalit child attending school. You have already read about Dalit in the class 6 book. Dalit is a term that the so-called lower caste used to address themselves. Dalit means broken, and by using this word, lower caste are pointing to how they were and continue to be seriously discriminated against. दलित एक्चुअली छोटी कास्ट के लोगों को एक कंबाइंड नाम दिया गया है दलित। ओके, इट इज़ दलित इज़ नॉट ओनली वन कम्युनिटी, कई माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटीज़ हैं जिनको एक नाम दिया गया है दलित। ओके, अब दलित के लोग और लोग नहीं बल्कि दलित के लोग खुद भी अपने आप को छोटा ही मानते हैं कि वी आर डिफरेंट, एंड ये डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जो हमारे साथ हो रहा है it is happening as our caste is Dalit. Even Dalit people are also thinking this kind of thinking they are having. Now here we are going to talk about one of the boy in school, that is Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit writer. In his autobiography Juthan, he writes, I had to sit away from the others in class, and that too on the floor. The mat ran out before reaching the spot I sat on. Sometimes I would have to sit way behind everybody, right near the door. Sometimes they would beat me without any reason. When he was in class 4, the headmaster asked Om Prakash to sweep the school and the playground. He writes, the playground was way larger than my small physique. दैट इज़ उसकी छोटी सी बॉडी के अकॉर्डिंग प्लेग्राउंड बहुत बड़ा था। 4th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ता हुआ बच्चा कितना बड़ा होगा, राइट? और उसको अगर बोले कि पूरी ग्राउंड को स्वीप करना, इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर दैट 4th स्टैंडर्ड चाइल्ड। बट ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि के साथ कुछ ऐसा ही बिहेवियर हो रहा था स्कूल में। स्टूडेंट्स वर नॉट अलाउइंग दैट बॉय टू सिट अलॉन्ग विद देम, एंड ही हिमसेल्फ वॉज ऑल्सो thinking that he is completely different from other, he is lower than others and all. So he even obeyed the headmaster when headmaster told him to sweep the whole ground, could handle and clean it. My back began to ache. My face was covered with dust. Dust had gone inside my mouth. The other children in my class were studying, and I was sweeping. Headmaster was sitting in his room and watching me. I was not even allowed to get a drink of water. I swept the whole day from the doors and windows of the school room. The eyes of the teachers and the boys saw these spectacles. Om Prakash was made to sweep the school and the playground for the next couple of days, and this only came to an end when his father, who happened to be passing by, saw his son sweeping. He confronted the teacher, and then, walking away from the school holding Om Prakash's hand, he said loudly for all of them to hear, "You are a teacher, so I am leaving now. But remember this much, master will study right here in this school, and not just him, but there will be more coming after him." तो दलित के फैमिली से वो ओम प्रकाश बिलोंग करता था, इसलिए ओम प्रकाश के साथ इतना ज़्यादा बैड बिहेव हो रहा था। हेडमास्टर गेव हिम टू स्वीप द होल प्लेग्राउंड। बाकी सब उसकी क्लास के बच्चे क्लास में बैठकर पढ़ते थे, बट ही वॉज कंटिन्यूसली डूइंग विद स्वीपिंग द प्लेग्राउंड वर्क राइट फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग. सो फॉर मैनी डेज दिस थिंग वॉज गोइंग ऑन. For many days he go to school, he do sweeping work, no studies work were being allowed for him to do. So he was sweeping, he was coming back home. तो ये तब तक चला जब तक एक दिन अचानक उसके फादर स्कूल से क्रॉस होते हुए उन्होंने देखा कि ओम प्रकाश इज स्वीपिंग द फ्लोर. Then he asked to one of the teacher, and teacher told him that from many days Om Prakash is working as sweeping floor only, so as headmaster instructed him. So Om Prakash father became very upset and he took Om Prakash away from the school, but he didn't took him away from school forever. He simply spoke this in a loud voice so that master should hear that he will complete studies here in this school itself, and not only he, after this, after Om Prakash, there will be many other Dalit students, those who will definitely come and study in this school. So one type of challenge वो देकर गए उस मास्टर को जिन्होंने दलित के बॉय के साथ ऐसे बिहेव किया था. Okay, now the next story is, the second story is based on the incident that took place in one of the India's largest cities and is common practice in most part of the country. It is a story about Mr. and Mrs. Ansari who were looking to rent an apartment in the city. They had money, and so paying the rent was not a problem. They went to a property dealer for help to find a place. The dealer informed that he knew about quite a few apartments that were available for rent. They visited the first apartment and the Ansaris liked it very much and decided to take it. However, when the landlady found that their names, she had an excuse about how could she not rent the house to someone who eat meat because the building did not have any non-vegetarian residents. सो अप टिल हेयर अगर मैं देखूं तो ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि वॉज दलित जिनके साथ वो बुरा बिहेवियर हुआ. अब यहाँ पर एक स्टोरी है मिस्टर और मिसेस अंसारी की. इस स्टोरी में क्या है कि मिस्टर और मिसेस अंसारी एक बड़ी सी सिटी में रेंट पे घर ढूंढ रहे थे. दे वेंट टू प्रॉपर्टी डीलर टोल्ड देम टू property dealer took them to one of the apartment. Everything was final, but when that landlady heard the name of these people, that is Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, so from surname Ansari, from that onwards landlady came to know about their religion, and so she told I cannot, matlab she started finding excuses, and within a moment she cancelled her deal to give a house to Ansaris on rent, and she told finally that in this building no one is non-vegetarian, so they will not allow any non-vegetarian to remain here, so she will not be able to allot a flat on rent to Ansaris. Both the Ansaris and the property dealers were surprised to hear this because they could smell fish being cooked in the neighbor's house. The same excuse was repeated in the second and the third apartment. Finally, the property dealer told them that they might want to change their names and call themselves Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. The Ansari was reluctant to do this and decided to look some more. In the end, it took the whole month of looking the apartment before they found a landlady who was willing to give them place on rent. So इस तरह अंसारीज ने जब ये सुना कि दैट लैंडलेडी रिजेक्टेड टू गिव देम हाउस, तो अंसारीज एंड डीलर, प्रॉपर्टी डीलर, बोथ वर इन शॉक. वाई दे वर इन शॉक? बिकॉज नेबर से कुछ फ़िश कुक होने की स्मेल आ रही थी, एंड दैट लेडी वॉज टेलिंग everyone here are vegetarian, no one is non-vegetarian. But in the same way, they went to so many other buildings, apartments to take a house on rent, but they failed in everywhere. कोई भी उनको घर रेंट पर नहीं दे रहा था. फाइनली प्रॉपर्टी डीलर ने उनको आइडिया दिया कि इंस्टेड ऑफ स्पीकिंग दैट यू आर मिस्टर एंड मिसेस अंसारी, टेल एवरीवन अबाउट यू आर मिस्टर एंड मिसेस कुमार, देन ओनली यू विल गेट हाउसिंग. बिकॉज मैनी हाउसिंग में ऐसा होता है कि दे पीपल डोंट अलाउ मुस्लिम्स टू लीव अलॉन्ग विद देयर कम्युनिटी. ओके, तो फिर बट अंसारीज वर नॉट रेडी टू डू दिस. So Ansaris tried at least for a month to find one home on rent, and after a month finally they got one home on rent where they started living. सो किस तरह से डिफरेंसेस हुए अंसारीज़ के साथ, कोई उनको घर देने को रेडी नहीं था, और ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि के साथ, क्योंकि सभी उसकी उम्र के बच्चे पढ़ाई कर रहे थे और वो ही सिर्फ एक ऐसा था जो ग्राउंड पे स्वीपिंग कर रहा था, राइट. So these are the two stories which still shows a lot of difference between majorities and minorities. Okay, majorities और minorities में ये सारे भी काफ़ी differences दिखाए गए हैं. Okay, then on the next page, recognizing dignity, you have understood by now that the caste we are born into, the religion we practice, the class background we come from, whether we are male or female, these are often the things that determine why some people are treated unequal. Om Prakash Valmiki and Ansaris are being treated unequally on the basis of differences of caste and religion. ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि कास्ट की वजह से और अंसारीज अपने रिलीजन की वजह से ये डिफरेंसेस उन लोगों को फेस करने पड़े, राइट. तो हम लोग कौन सा रिलीजन प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, हमारा बैकग्राउंड क्या है, हम मतलब इट इज़ लाइक इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग मेल और फीमेल, लोग धर्म और कास्ट को भी देखकर लोगों की पहचान करते हैं. सो इक्वलिटी दिखाई ही नहीं देती. लॉट्स ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज सीन when persons are treated unequal, their dignity is violated. डिग्निटी मतलब देयर सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, उनकी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को कहीं ना कहीं हर्ट होता है जब उनको सबके इक्वल ट्रीट नहीं किया जाता. द डिग्निटी ऑफ बोथ ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि एंड द अंसारीज वर वायलेटेड बिकॉज of the way in which they were treated. By picking on him and making him sweep the school because of his caste, Om Prakash Valmiki's schoolmate and teachers hurt his dignity badly and made him feel as if he was less than equal to all other students in the school. Being a child, Om Prakash Valmiki could do very little about the situation that he was in. It was his father who, on seeing his son sweep, felt angry by the unequal treatment and confronted the teacher. तो वही हुआ कि ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि एक छोटा बच्चा था, उसको नहीं पता चल रहा था कि ये जो डिफरेंसेस है वो मेरे साथ क्यों किए जा रहे हैं. सो ही वॉज गोइंग ऑन अकॉर्डिंग टू वट एवर पीपल वर बिहेविंग विद हिम. ओके, ही वॉज एक्सेप्टिंग दोज थिंग्स विद हिम. जिस तरह से उसको ट्रीट किया जा रहा था वो चुपचाप से बर्दाश्त कर रहा था. लेकिन जब उसके फादर ने ये होते हुए देखा तो उनको बर्दाश्त नहीं हुआ और उन्होंने फाइनली उसको वो स्कूल से लेकर चले गए. फर्दर अंसारीज डिग्निटी वॉज ऑल्सो हर्ट. अंसारीज की सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को भी थोड़ा हर्ट हुआ. दैट इज़ व्हेन पर्सन रिफ्यूज़ टू लीज देयर अपार्टमेंट टू देम. जब कोई रेंट पे हाउस अवेलेबल है लेकिन फिर भी लोग उनको हाउस नहीं दे रहे सिर्फ उनके नाम की वजह से, उनके सरनेम की वजह से, तो ऑब्वियसली इट हर्ट्स. हाउएवर व्हेन द प्रॉपर्टी डीलर सजेस्टेड दैट दे चेंज देयर नेम, इट वॉज देयर डिग्निटी और सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट दैट मेड देम रिफ्यूज़ दिस सजेशन. तभी तो जब प्रॉपर्टी डीलर ने उनको ये आइडिया दिया कि ओके आप अपना नाम चेंज कर लो, मिस्टर एंड मिसेस कुमार रख लो इंस्टेड ऑफ मिस्टर एंड मिसेस अंसारी. सो दे वर नॉट रेडी टू डू दिस बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं ये उनकी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को हर्ट ज़्यादा करेगा अगर उन्होंने अपना नाम ही चेंज कर दिया तो. ओम प्रकाश एंड अंसारी डू नॉट डिज़र्व टू बी ट्रीटेड लाइक दिस. दे डिज़र्व द सेम रिस्पेक्ट एंड डिग्निटी एज एनी वन एल्स. ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि और अंसारीज दोनों ही इस तरह से मतलब ट्रीट होना डिज़र्व नहीं करते थे. आफ्टर ऑल इंडिया में एक फंडामेंटल राइट है, राइट टू इक्वलिटी, तो उनको भी इक्वली ही ट्रीट करना चाहिए था लोगों को, बट दे हैव नॉट डन ट्रीटेड इक्वली टू देम. ओके, नाउ इक्वलिटी इन इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी. I will stop here. From this paragraph onwards we will continue in our next video. So by that time see that you see both my videos which are uploaded for civics, and both the explanations, hear it once together and understand the situation of Om Prakash Valmiki and Ansaris. Take care. Bye bye.